Proceed to court number 2. Nacario of red armor, blue armor, Ibanez. Please proceed to court number 2. Last and final call. Hutan Antoinette, KGDPD. Hutan Benek. Next match, table, court number 2, red armor, Nacario Precious Zaira, Anbu, blue armor, Ibanez Ardiasa Titans. Please prepare.
Please lang, kanina sa mats, gani, kana. Pwede ba mapadaplin mo? Ang taekwondo enthusiast, dili na magpabadlo. Diba? Dapat disiplinado. So, ang dapat, mutuman unsa ang rules. So, mamalihog ni nga kung pwede, all players only are allowed inside the ground area. Please lang po, only the players are allowed.
Jose Male Cadet winners, blue category, gold. Gerald Nino Torres of Hopes of Iron Taekwondo. Silver, Imox Sander Luzba of Southern 40 Tigers. Next to perform, player number 1 for Jose Male Cadet, Nashon Dean Christian of Panthers, and player number 2, Baton Dean Anthony of Anbu.
Okay. Announcement, YJH 470 Honda City white color and GJM 912 Revo Tamaraw FX green ang color. Naadili ang traffic enforcer. Pwede daw paki-adjust sa inyong sakitan. Thank you.
Announcing next. Okay, match. Fury Male Cadet Novice. Red Armor, Sordilia John Kyle Anbu. Blue Armor, Mendoza, Lloyd, Francis, Jaguars. Please proceed to court number 3. Next match. Fury Male Cadet Novice. Gonzaga, Janelle, Jandel, KGTD, Red Armor, Kanuo, John Kerwin, CDD, Blue Armor. Please proceed to court number 3. Thank you. Kiyogi Boys, Grade School Sumerian, Red Armor, Samontañez Junter Shop, Sicilians, Blue Armor, Policious, Zion G Jaguars, Blue Armor. Please proceed to board.